Here I have HUAWEI Nova 11 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you should go to the more connections section. No, excuse me, not this one. You should go to the mobile network, then go to the personal hotspot. So here you can enable hotspot. When you have it enabled, you can see QR code with which you can instantly connect to your hotspot. Here you can change its name, here you can change its password. You can also set up, you can also add devices to block list. In more options, you can also set a mobile hotspot turn off timer. And you can also use it for Bluetooth tethering. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.